When people talk about wanting to tighten their belly, they usually mean two things: reducing excess belly fat, strengthening their core muscles. Today, I'm sharing one powerful move that will help you tighten your belly, strengthen your core, and improve your posture. I won't share the move just yet, but come with me while I explain some things before I give that powerful move. Trust me, anybody can do it. It's very easy. Why does belly tightening matter? Here's the science. Science says you can't spot reduce fat from any part of your body. Fat loss happens across all parts of your body, but you can strengthen your abdominal muscles. This makes your belly look flatter, improves your balance, and supports your lower back immediately, even before you lose weight. These are the health benefits of belly tightening. It protects you from back pain, and it also helps with everyday movements, standing, walking, even breathing, and it gives you that toned, confident look. Let's take a quick look at what's happening inside your body to tighten your core. The deepest abdominal muscles act like a natural corset, pulling your belly in, most importantly, for that tight feeling. The famous six-pack muscles give shape and stability. It's what people generally see as abs. It's your obliques. Tightening your belly fat supports twisting and side movements, and it helps you get that hourglass figure, and it's also crucial for functional movement. The lower back muscles team up with your abs for stability, keep you upright and pain-free, often forgotten but super important. When these muscles are activated regularly, your belly appears tighter even before you've lost all the fat. Common mistakes people make while trying to tighten their core muscles: number one, they do exercises that don't work. Too many crunches. Truth is that what crunches does is that it increases the tension in that your mid belly area. So it creates muscle and keeps the fat there instead of melting it away. So crunches are a no-no if you want a tighter core. Number two reason why people fail at tightening their core is that they are not consistent. Okay, consistency over intensity. Intense exercises, all those things, they don't work if you are not consistent with them. It's a lifestyle thing. Number three, ignoring posture. A weak posture makes your belly stick out, and this happens even if you're not overweight, creates muscle imbalance, and it just makes everything harder. The good news is you don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, hundreds of crunches, and hours of time. All you need is one simple move. And you can do this anywhere, anytime, any day. Before I show the move, let me tell you why it's so effective and incredible. It activates your deep core muscles. It targets your transverse abdominis, creates that pulling in effect, and it works from the inside out. It improves your posture, your balance. It strengthens and stabilizes your muscles, reduces back pains, makes you look taller and confident. It burns calories, it raises your heart rate combined with cardio for strength. It is more efficient than isolated exercises. It's low impact, joint friendly, safe for beginners, easy on the knees and back, perfect if you have limitations. It's ultimately convenient. You can do it at work during your breaks, while cooking dinner, literally anywhere. By now, I'm sure you're wondering, what move is this? The move is called standing matches, and here's why it's so powerful. It looks simple, but it's activating every core muscles like we spoke about earlier. And here's a step-by-step instruction on how to do this move. Step one, you stand tall. Your feet hip width apart, shoulders relaxed and back, head in a neutral position. Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button gently towards your spine, okay? Don't suck in your breath, just gently activate. So this gentle activation looks like that reflex action when it seems like you're going to be hit on your belly. That's what an activation is, just a little tightening of that core muscle. Then step three, you start matching. You take your left leg up slowly towards your hip level, then you lower it down with control. Do the same with your right leg, then you keep alternating. Okay, step four, breathe through the exercise. All right, breathe, don't stop breathing, don't hold your breath. Okay, inhale as you prepare, exhale as you lift. So here's a short mini tutorial that you can use to follow along as the exercise is being done. March slowly for 30 seconds, rest 15 seconds, repeat 2 times. Focus on form over speed, okay? Form over speed. And that's it. That one simple move, standing matches. Let's recap the benefits of standing matches. It tightens your belly, strengthens your core, and improves your posture. It builds your confidence. The secret ingredient is consistency over intensity. Just a few minutes daily can cause a huge difference in your health and in your life. Pair this with healthy eating for faster fat loss. You can also add other light exercises to this, and remember to stay consistent. Take progress photos and changes. Track your change. Stay hydrated to support muscle function. Let's do a 7 days challenge. I challenge you to do standing matches for 2 minutes every day for 7 days. That's it. Comment I'm in if you're ready to accept this challenge. It's your turn to share. Have you tried standing matches before? What's your biggest challenge with the core exercise? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading your comments. I love to hear from you. If this video helped you discover a new way to strengthen your core, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share with people that need to see it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for working out with me today. Remember, you don't need perfection. You just need to start. Stand up right now and do 10 matches. Your future self will thank you. See you in my next video.